about to start the hike. Let's make it happen. Morning. Morning. What do you want? Here we go. Got off the shuttle. About to get to the top. Take you guys along with us. And just landed. That's where we're going. Little tiny speck. Yep. Hey. I think we're gonna have to climb that zigzag. The steep stuff. That last piece we just did was pretty tough. A lot of steep climbing. We got a zigzag all the way up. Here we go. That's pretty steep. Almost there. That's our target. Angel's Landing. Check in with the permit right here. You apply online for a permit. Bring it up with you with your ID. And they let you do the climb. Wow, this is steep. These chains are essential. Oh boy. What's over here? Holy smokes. Chain leader there. This is steep. We are so high up. Whew. Oh, sir. Ooh, ooh, it's pretty fancy. Spider-Man, Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Do, do, do. Holy smokes. Okay. It goes up there? Yeah. You never been there? I don't think I remember that part. Wow. On top. We gotta climb all the way up there to the tippy top. Thank you. Woo! This little piece is narrow. They should call this the Narrows. That is unreal. Like being here and seeing that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's a steep one. Oh, I got service. Sick. Yeah, I heard the little whistle. Ooh, it is windy.
Oh, really?
Go ninja, go ninja, go. Buddy boy. And you're like crawling up this thing. Whew. That's a beaut. We were down all the way over there. Last little bit of it. Just final stretch. There it is. That was a killer rush. My reward. What comes up must go down. We begin the descent. Oh, dude, going down is way sketchier than going up.
At the edge, like
Tripping. Man. Dude, you're right. Like going down, the GoPro probably, you know how the effect?
you should do it.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's what scares everybody, like when they look at YouTube videos.
It amplifies the the sketchiness.
I thought the GoPro effect was actually the. Because I'm mountain biking, that was the.
New boot goofing.
Definitely not new.
Oh, boot goofing.
Are those neoprene? Neo what?
I don't.
There's the ending. Good stuff. Boom. Boom. Ivan's too far ahead. Boom. I was gonna high five you. We were all the way at the top. So that is a wrap for this adventure. It was a good one. Not too hot, perfect weather, and it was definitely a good rush to get our morning started. Thank you guys for tagging along, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.